use, as mentioned, machine learning and a lot of other interesting tools to make buildings more efficient. And we use blockchain technology to eventually decentralize ownership of that so that every renter can also be an owner.
100 years, the world population increased by a factor of 4, but the use of construction material increased by a factor of 42. The construction industry is now responsible for almost 40% of global carbon emissions.
Circularity is maximizing the value of a building over its life cycle. And this is a completely different way of thinking about building buildings than we typically have in the past up to this point.